Good evening, students. This is your English teacher Sandeep Banerjee. I hope you are all well. Let's come to the topic. How to make a better sentence. This is one of the biggest problem nowadays. Okay, so being a teacher, I often used to communicate with the students, with various students from various classes. So they often say me, "Okay, sir, it's become difficult for us to frame a sentence in a better way. We are not getting the appropriate ways how to frame a sentence." So after a little bit research and due to the grace of God, this answer is found by me, and I think this will be pretty helpful for the students. So the question is how to make a better sentence. This is the easiest way. Use adjectives, phrases, similes, metaphors. Adjective means the words which describe noun or pronoun. Phrases, group of words, okay, which do not make a complete sense. Similes means when we compare two different objects using as and like. Okay. Metaphors means when we compare two different objects but not using like or as. Okay. So at least just try to figure out these four words: adjectives, phrases, similes, and metaphors, and try to inculcate them while you are writing any sentence. Okay. In whatever form it may be. Okay, whether you can try this while writing essays, or you can try this while writing any paragraphs. Okay, any answers of any subjects. So just mark my words and just try this. This is going to be one of the most helpful way for you all to frame a sentence in a better way, and that also within a very less time consumption. So let's start. See, first I'm writing a sentence, a simple sentence. I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. This is a simple sentence which is written in a simple way, that I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. Now let's add phrases into it. Let's add adjective into it. Some sentences are there where it will not be possible for us to apply all these four forms, but at least we should try minimum to add adjectives and phrases. Okay. So I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. Now when we are going to start a phrase, so first we will write the phrase, then we will give a comma, then we will continue with the main sentence. Okay. And some sentences are there where the sentence is written in the first stanza, and after that we have to write the phrase. So in that case, after completing the sentence, give a comma, then write the phrase. So in this sentence, I have planned to write a phrase, then give comma, and then to continue with the main sentence. So let's see. I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. Okay. In my opinion, one of the appropriate phrase will be after a long time. After a long time. See, this is a phrase, group of words which are not making a complete sense. After a long time, what? After a long time, now give a comma. So phrase done, comma. Then I am going to start with this sentence. I am going to visit the... Now see, Alipur Zoo is the noun. Okay. Now we can give some adjectives. So after a long time, I am going to visit the outstanding Alipur Zoo, comma, with my family. So this is also a phrase. Okay, and this is also a phrase. And after using the first phrase, I have given a comma. And after completing this sentence, I have also given a comma, and then I start to write a phrase. Okay, so now compare these two sentences. I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. I am going to visit the Alipur Zoo. Now this one. After a long time, I am going to visit the outstanding Alipur Zoo with my family. Which one is better? This one. Why? Because we have used phrases along with the adjectives. So this is one of the example where I have shown you how to make a better sentence. Okay, now in the second example, I will show you how to use the similes and metaphors. So stay with me. Suppose I am writing a simple sentence. He is feeling very hungry. He is feeling very hungry. This is a normal type of English which we use often. He is feeling very hungry. Now let's make this sentence in a better way by using similes. Okay, let's try. He is feeling as hungry, or he is feeling hungry like a horse. He is feeling hungry like a horse. So this is the simile. Okay, now see the difference between these two sentences. He is feeling very hungry. He is feeling hungry like a horse. This sentence is attracting something. This sentence has some special powers. Okay, so this is the difference between writing a normal sentence and when we are writing a sentence using these four forms. And we can use the metaphors also, like my father is very strong. My father is very strong. Normal English. Now let's see. Using metaphor. My father is a lion. Metaphor. Okay, my father is a lion means my father is very strong. He is as strong as a lion. So these are the uses which we can use to make a better sentence. Okay, try this and let me know how much this works out with you. Good luck.